Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the new ChatGPT Agent Mode, which is OpenAI's latest feature that lets you build the personalized AI agents to automate your tasks, answer any kind of specific requests, or even manage your projects for you. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on chatgpt.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on this chat section, if you see this type of upgrade plan option, when you click on it, you will be landed here on this page where you will notice that if you are using ChatGPT's free plan, you won't be able to access the ChatGPT's new agent feature. In order to get that feature, you need to subscribe for the Plus account. Only then you will be able to get your agent mode. So once you make the payment and once you have your Plus plan activated on ChatGPT, you just have to click on this plus icon over here. Over here in this section, you will see agent mode on the top. So when you click on the option of agent mode, your agent mode will be activated just like so. After that, you can just start giving your prompts that you normally do. For example, you can ask it to write your YouTube script. So here you can give it the prompt something like this. Then you can hit enter, and ChatGPT is going to use its agent mode in order to give you the response. So you can activate the agent mode and start using it right away. So you can also use it for creating some of the things, like I gave it this prompt, which is write a 2-minute tutorial script on how to use Canva. Then you can hit enter, and it is gonna be taking some time in order to give you the results. So if it is working for you, you can just save the data in your Google Docs, and this is how you can start using ChatGPT's agent mode in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.